everyone. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to add hyperlink to a specific part of the cell in Excel. Please do as follows to change the hyperlink cell formatting to show only part of the cell as a hyperlink in Excel. Go to select this hyperlink cell, then select the part of the text you don't need to be displayed as a hyperlink in the formula bar. Then click the underline symbol to turn the underline format off. And go to select automatic in the font color drop down list. Then you can see only part of the needed text in the cell showing as a hyperlink. This method can only change the appearance of the cell content. The hyperlink is still existing in the whole cell. Thanks for watching and please subscribe for more videos.